with Shanna at the Peru Amateur Circus, and she's going to be showing us how to apply clown makeup. So you'll see me here like this, but in a moment, I'll be a clown.
This is clown white. When we do clown faces, we do layers. White is always the one that you put on first. Then you powder, then you put your color on, and then you powder, and then you do your extras like your liner or your mascara, and then you brush, you wet, pat, and then you add everything else. So the glitter, whatever, which we're gonna do. I'm doing everything on you because this is fun. I'm gonna do your eyes first with the white, and then we'll do your mouth, and then we'll move on to the next. Some people like to use their fingers. Some people use Q-tips. Ever since I have found just makeup brushes, it's probably one of the easiest things, especially a nice soft brush. Q-tips are very important. When you're creating a clown face, there is a bit of a clown code that you have to follow. You cannot take the face of another clown. You can take bits and pieces from a clown face, but you cannot do the exact same clown face. So we're gonna add some of this blue above her eyes and then red on her mouth. The main colors of clown makeup is blue, red, and white. Since we have kind of, evolved a little bit, a lot of people use a lot more colors. So I know I'm using this color instead of a regular blue. My daughter uses purple. Some people will spend the money on clown makeup we use clownsupplies.com, we Clown Antics, but like I said, with all of the colors now that they're making and putting in the dollar stores, it's just as easy to drive to the dollar store and get something like this because it sticks with powder, and it's easier and it's cheaper and it's accessible. I'm gonna wet pat. This is going to press the powder into the makeup, so it's just water and paper towel. Some people use sponges, some people use washcloths, some people will spray it. And you have mascara on, so I don't want to do that. So all I'm gonna do is we're just gonna wet the paper towel. And then I want you to press it, and try not to wipe, just press it nice and easy into all of your, and you might need to flip it if some of the blue comes off. Yep, and it's just real quick. Oh, you're good. So then do the next one, and then get the extra powder out right now. That's it. She's putting on her lips. I've used pencil before. I've used regular lipstick before. I actually found this. It's a lipstick that doesn't come off.
I have this at home.
Yeah, it'll last me the whole show. Picture day, I put it on, and I went home and I couldn't get it off.
Do you line outside your lips and go into the corner?
Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I have some cream blush, and I'm going to do a little trick that I just learned recently. And instead of putting like circles on your face for cheeks, I'm gonna make little hearts on your cheeks, and then we'll put some glitter on it. Okay, now glitter, just regular pixie glitter. It's like the real fine stuff. I use so much of it. This has lasted me like 10 years. See, this just it just sticks to the makeup, so we don't have to use any kind of glue or anything.
No
of course, then it
adhesive.
does. Yeah. This is called a nose tip. It's got fuzz in it. A lot of us have gone to these just because some of the full clowns, they're a little hard to breathe in. But they come in different sizes. So like this is my daughter's and this is mine. A lot of them come solid red and then I'll, you know, paint them with some Mod Podge and put some glitter on them, which is what I did with, and they're different shapes. So like we have a heart right here and I put some pink glitter on that one. This is adhesive, clown adhesive. It's a latex-free adhesive. I don't have to use any stuff to take it off with. It just peels off and then I just gotta kind of, you know, rub it. So yeah, you don't have to worry about it, you know, sticking to your nose for the rest of the night. And then we're just gonna... It's gonna sit and the glue's gonna dry on her nose and it's gonna dry on the nose tip and then it'll stick. And that is something that'll stay all night long if you let it. Okay, so we're just gonna stick right in the middle. You see there? That's not going anywhere. That is adorable. You need to move closer to Peru.
I have found my future job. Jana, thank you so much for showing us how to do clown makeup today here at Peru Amateur Circus.
You're very welcome.